Hey everyone, welcome back to the Apps on Air channel. In this video, we're looking at the OTA Distribution CLI, a tool built specifically for developers who want to move faster. So instead of opening the dashboard every time you want to upload a build, you can do it straight from your terminal, or even automate it in your CI/CD pipeline. With the help of OTA CLI support, you can upload your Android APK and iOS IPA builds on Apps on Air portal directly from your machine. Here is the documentation for OTA Distribution CLI. To access this feature, need to install the CLI on your machine. Let's get it installed. You'll need Node.js on your machine for this. Then just run this npm install command in your terminal to set it up globally. You'll see it installs two separate tools, AppsOnAir. The AppsOnAir CLI provides a set of essential commands for basic operations, including authentication, login and logout, account verification, WAMI, service initialization, init-service, and environment diagnostics, system-info, and AppsOnAir-OTA, which is what you use to actually upload your builds. The install only takes a few seconds. Once it's done, we'll run a quick check to confirm everything is working. There we go. Installation's done. Let's quickly verify that everything is configured correctly by running the AppsOnAir doctor command, AppsOnAir system info. This performs a comprehensive environment health check and validates all the required dependencies for mobile development. You can see it checks your environment, Xcode, Android Studio, ADB, and flags anything that's missing. Run AppsOnAir version to confirm the setup. Before we can upload anything, we need to authenticate. The CLI has three auth commands: log in to connect your account, WHOMI to check who's logged in, and log out to disconnect. To get your token, head over to the AppsOnAir dashboard. Go to Settings and open the CLI Tokens tab. If you haven't generated one yet, this page will be empty. Click Generate Token. Set an expiry date. I'm going with a couple of years here. And once it's generated, copy that token. You'll need it in just a second. Now back in the terminal, run AppsOnAir login. A prompt will appear asking for your CLI token. Paste it in and press Enter to authenticate your account. And there we go. Login is successful. The CLI displays your account name and email, confirming exactly which account you're connected to. You can run AppsOnAir WHOMI anytime to check this without logging out. And if you ever need to switch accounts, just run AppsOnAir logout and log back in with a new token. As you continue using the CLI, you'll become familiar with these commands, and they'll make your daily workflow much faster. We've successfully installed the AppsOnAir CLI, authenticated our account, and explored the most important commands you'll use every day. Flutter is a bit special. From a single codebase, you're building both an Android APK and an iOS IPA. With the AppsOnAir CLI, you can upload both of them with a single command. One config file with both output paths, and the CLI handles both platforms at the same time. Open your Flutter project and run AppsOnAir init OTA in the terminal. You'll see the workspace and app selection appear. Use arrow keys to navigate and enter to select. The config file is generated. Open it up. I'm going to copy the path into the file. The docs walk through the complete flow. Step 1 is init, Step 2 is your build, Step 3 is the upload. To upload both platforms at once, run AppsOnAir OTA upload with no extra flags. Need just one platform? Add --Android or --iOS. You can also drop this command straight into your build script or CI/CD pipeline, and it'll run automatically on every release. All right, the build's ready. Both the APK and the IPA are in their respective output folders. Now let's run AppsOnAir OTA upload and kick off both uploads. The CLI reads both paths from your config, detects the APK and IPA, confirms the file details, and kicks off the upload for both platforms. Both uploads are done, Android and iOS. You get a shareable install link for each platform right here in the terminal. Copy those links and send them to your testers. They can install directly from the link. And if we check the dashboard, both builds are right there, tagged as uploaded via CLI, with version number, build number, and upload date clean. That's the complete Flutter upload flow. Initialize once, build your app, and upload both platforms with a single command. And here's a quick overview of all the available flags. For a complete list and detailed explanations, you can refer to the official website. Sometimes you just want to upload a build quickly. Maybe it's a one-off, or you don't want to set up a config file at all. That's exactly what path mode is for. You pass the file or folder path directly in the command, and the CLI does the rest. No config needed. Run AppsOnAir OTA upload path and point it to your folder. I've got my APK and IPA files sitting in a folder on my desktop. You can see both files here. Let's upload them directly. Since there's no config file, the CLI will ask you to pick your workspace and app, just like when you ran init OTA. Once you select those, it detects both the APK and IPA automatically, shows you the file details, and starts the upload. A few things worth knowing about path mode. You can use --Android -path or --iOS -path to upload just one platform at a time. If you point to a folder, the CLI automatically picks the newest APK or IPA in it. No need to specify the exact file name. And since there's no config file, you'll always be prompted to select your workspace and app interactively. Now let's refresh the dashboard. As you can see, the build upload was successful, and it appears on the dashboard with all the relevant details. You can also add release notes to any upload. Use --note to add the same message to both platforms, or use --Android -note and --iOS -note separately if you want different messages for each platform. One important thing to remember, if you use both Android Note and Note together, the platform-specific flag always wins. So you can set a general note as a fallback and override just one platform when you need to. And that's a wrap. The complete OTA distribution documentation is linked in the description below. It covers AppsOnAir CLI installation, authentication, uploading builds using both configuration-based and direct upload methods, essential CLI commands and flags, and everything you need to get started with OTA distribution. Thanks for watching. Any questions? Drop them in the comments or reach out at support@appsonair.com. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.